Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to cleanse your kidneys almost instantly using this natural home drink. In the same way air filters move dust, pollen and other allergens, the kidneys remove wastes and toxins from the blood. Modern environmental pollutants, UTIs and drugs like NSAIDs can lead to serious damage to the kidneys, and processed foods only increase the risk. Since we simply can't replace our kidneys like we might an air filter, that's why it's so important to stay hydrated and detox your kidneys as well as your liver every once in a while. This habit can help prevent kidney disease, kidney stones, and toxic buildup within your body. Stay tuned with me till the end of the video to get full information. How can parsley help your kidneys? Parsley is full of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate and iron, which are important for kidney health. Surprisingly, parsley is also antimicrobial, anti-anemic, menorrhagic, anticoagulant, anti-hyperlipidemic, anti-hepatotoxic, prevents liver toxicity, anti-hypertensive, lowers blood pressure, diuretic, hypoglycemic, hypouricemic, antioxidative, estrogenic. It helps manage menstruation. Traditional medicine recommends the use of parsley to help manage kidney stones. Drinking parsley tea helps cleanse your kidneys by increasing urine production and flow, which may push out kidney stones. It's also said to prevent the absorption of salt into kidney tissue, preventing the formation of kidney stones. This tea can also be used for reducing anxiety and calming the nerves. How to make parsley tea to cleanse your kidneys? For the recipe, you can either use fresh herbs, which make a more potent tea, or you can use a handful of dried parsley leaves. Ingredients: a bunch of fresh organic parsley leaves, 8 cups of filtered water, 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey, the juice of half a lemon freshly squeezed. Wash and chop the leaves, leaving them in large pieces. Boil water at medium heat. Once it boils, add leaves and lower heat. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain it into a large saucepan with a lid and let it cool. Add lemon and honey to taste. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day. Store in glass containers in the fridge for up to a week. If you are currently taking prescription medication or suffer from kidney disease or other illnesses, talk to your doctor before taking parsley tea. It's also important to know that parsley tea is not recommended to pregnant women because it can induce menstruation and abortion. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.